Guys, this is a tutorial on how to use Listener. Okay. So, leave your game. And then go to create. Just wait. And go to your place, like click your place, and after you click your place,
Nanalo rin ako sa hotspot sa bukas. Kahit first time lang.
click passes, and click create a pass. Give any name you want.
Ayan, di ulit. Gusto maramdaman.
And after you just don't think about the descriptions and click the gold ticket and go to the three lines, click sales, open item for sale, give any Robux you want in your please donate. I want like that. Click save change, click proceed. Pass updated successfully. And then go to please donate. And finally, claim your boot, and you have it. Comment for, like and subscribe for more tutorial. Bye.